Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with entering the settings, and here in this list we have to scroll down to the bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on About Phone, scroll down to find software information and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. I've just recorded it. Alright, so after activating the developer options, we have to scroll down in the system settings and enter developer options. And here, let's scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to actually download and update the system. Of course, you can turn this option off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.